Hello and welcome to IBM's Planning Analytics, the next generation of a business planning solution. My name is Bill Primerano. I'm a technical solution specialist with IBM. IBM Planning Analytics is built upon a foundation that has reliably served thousands of organizations. It delivers unprecedented end-user engagement via ease of use and a visually rich user interface. All user roles are served by a single web-based workspace available via desktop or mobile browsers. Power users can also have access via a familiar Excel-based interface, which is deeply integrated into the solution. IBM Planning Analytics provides a comprehensive set of capabilities out of the box. These capabilities include planning, dashboards, drag-and-drop analysis, scorecards, and reporting. The solution grows with you. Depending on where you are on your analytics journey, you can start with automation and grow into more advanced capabilities, such as business intelligence. Business intelligence allows for reporting across all of an organization's data sources, providing a unique combination of governance and ease of use. IBM's Planning Analytics is a single solution that can be leveraged across all of your enterprise. It can be used to solve your organization's planning and analysis challenges across all lines of the business, whether it be finance, sales, operations, or marketing. IBM Planning Analytics is the only solution available for both cloud and on-premises deployment, thus providing unlimited flexibility for small organizations, departments of large organizations, and full enterprise-wide deployment. Here is an example of Planning Analytics solving a challenge for a retail organization. This visually rich workspace may be used by an analyst within a retail organization to monitor the performance of the stores. The end user can easily change the visualization. In this example, we are going to change the map to a line and column chart. Notice that when I click on the chart, the other visualizations adjust to show the district selected. Let's drill down on Florida. Here is another workspace which shows sales by SKU. Let's focus in on Florida initially and then play through the districts so that I can review the relative performance by district and spot any trends. The solution has powerful analysis capabilities built in. It natively supports multiple views of business structures across each of the business's dimensions. These include alternative, what-if, and historical hierarchies, along with attribute-based analysis. Notice the use of drag and drop, providing unprecedented ease of use. Let's start with gross sales in the spring-summer season, all comp stores, and the apparel category. Now, let's look at color by store type. These visually rich workspaces may also be used for planning and what-if analysis. I know that men's red sweaters have been very popular, so I'm going to plan for extra growth. Now, I'm going to plan for discounts at the summary level. I don't want to discount my men's red sweater growth item, so I'll place a hold on that. Next, let's do the top-down adjustment. I'm going to plan discounts in total for sweaters based on the profile of gross sales. The items impacted by the top-down adjustment are shown in blue. Notice that my held item is excluded from the adjustments as expected. Power users can also interact with the solution via a rich Excel experience. The same business dimensions and hierarchies are available for analysis and reporting. The user can leverage the power of Excel and their existing Excel skills to produce highly formatted reports. These reports may be shared with other users via the web-based workspace. Thank you for attending this brief overview of IBM Planning Analytics, the next generation of business planning solutions.